Hi, welcome guys. This is RJ Vikram, and today I'm going to tell you the best method to practice English. I know many people would have taught you lots of lessons, lots of concepts, and many things about English. But to be very honest, learning English is different and speaking English is different. At the time of inquiry, people come and sit, they say, I understand English very easily, but it's only about my speaking. But when I start speaking, I face many problems. I don't remember words, I fumble, I don't recall words at the same time. The person asks me, so I am not able to reply the same question in the different ways. That's what I feel. Only I can talk three sentences: hello, how are you, I love you, I hate you, I know you, I miss you, whatever. This only these statements are people are able to speak. Apart from that, they are not able to talk anything. Understood? Though they are speaking wrong, and I don't have any complaint about the wrong English. Okay, I'll tell you later. See, speaking English is a skill which is controlled by broadcast part of your brain, and talking about understanding and learning language, it is part of your brain's part of brain which is targeted unconsciously. But talking about talking English and speaking English, it is controlled by active brain which has to be activated. If you are able to understand English but you are not able to speak English, it means your broca's area is inactive, which we have to activate. And for that sake, I am giving you the only solution to speak English. Otherwise, you are not going to speak English, you will only understand English. And go watch many lectures. There are very nonsense and many nonsense sessions which are teaching you to translate English, which are teaching you to think in English. But how can you think English if you don't understand English? I am not saying that those sessions will go west for you. That won't be west. That will help you somewhere to come at the track only. There are multiple people, thousands of people, even kids are talking English because they have atmosphere, and the atmosphere you're trying to create, it will help you. Now just tell me one thing: you are learning English in your mother tongue and you are expecting from your side that you will speak in English. Are you serious? You can't do that. No, it's not my statement, it's scientific method, and the way I have learned and the way I have been trained by some institutes, I'm telling you the same. The same problems I have faced while teaching English in my journey of speaking English. I used to tell them lots of structure. I was thinking that there is solution only for structure. So if person was sitting in front of me, I used to give him structure. Okay, you don't know this? This is the structure and use it. I used to mark them up, all the structures, but still I was thinking that why that person is not able to speak. Months and months I was teaching them. I was continuously telling them, repeating the things again and again, but still they were not at all able to speak. But they were able to understand English. They were able to recall the structures. They had mugged up all the structures. They have mugged up all the vocabulary, but still they were not at all able to speak because I found that I was teaching them. Everybody is teaching them. That is the problem. Then I found a solution through my teacher. He simply told me, guys, you people are teaching only. That's what we don't want. We don't want you to teach. We want you to do practice. Don't tell them. Ask them to do that. Instead of writing on the board, hello, whenever you meet somebody, say, hello, how are you? Have you taken dinner? Have you taken breakfast? Have you taken lunch? Where have you been? These are the statements. You tell them ki ha, you should do this. But what I want you to do that at the same time. Okay, make them stand and speak that loudly. Listen that if they commit mistake, ask them to look at that, or tell them again so that they can tell you again. Now, for the same sake, I am going to tell you the method because I know that there are multiple people. People never like to listen you. That's why I am giving you this method that you have to look at the camera. Multiple people would have told you go and stand in front of mirrir. It will help you a lot. Talk with yourself. But are you serious? Are you living in the old era? Literally, people did not have phone. That time people used to watch themselves and have conversation. But talking in front of camera is that you talk, but at the time of your mistakes, you don't realize that what kind of mistakes you have committed. And I want you to correct that at the same time, so that I have evaluated this method, invented this method. I don't know, it has been used somewhere else, but what I feel through my analysis, through my practice purposes, I have created this method. Go in front of camera, turn on the camera and record. Or before that, what I used to do, I used to record on my recorder of smartphone. I know you must have not opened that yet. Turn on the recorder, record it for 1 minute only. Now there is reason for 1 minute and 2 minutes, not for 10 and 20 minutes. Understanding? Record for 2 minutes, listen for 4 minutes. Understood? And find out your flaws, your gaps, your breaks. More than that, focus on your mistakes. Focus on this all 4-5 factors. This is going to help you somewhere. Okay, the same method I had given to many students. Some of them had followed. Okay, the one student came and he said that, sir, you had told me to record for 2 minutes, but I have recorded for 10 minutes. Listen this. I said, see, if you are recording for 10 minutes, you will have to spend 20 minutes to listen that and understand that what you have committed mistake. Understood? So if you are recording for 10 minutes, your brain will be hanged for some minute to understand that what on where you have committed mistake. So while correcting that, your brain will not realize that where you have to correct. So instead of recording for 10 and 20 minutes, record for only 2 minutes, listen for 2 minutes, analyze for 2 minutes, practice for 2 minutes, and again record that. The same way, 2 minutes of recording you have to keep. First recording and hundreds of recording. Now you have to do this continuously for 10 minutes. Now what will you record? You can record your daily routine, you can record what you have done, you can record, I will tell you in upcoming lectures that what you can record about. Okay, and apart from that, what you can do, you can only record your sound. Now second step, turn on the camera, sit in front of camera. Now look at yourself, talk, observe, analyze only for 2 minutes. 2 minutes of gaps are most important. Again, I am telling you, not 10 minutes, not even 5 minutes, not even 20 minutes, not even 1 hour. If you want to do reading, turn on the recorder and then only do reading. You will realize your each and every pronunciation, and don't find every pronunciation perfect. Don't run behind perfection. Just run behind your analysis that do you find it good? If it's find good, then great. A method which is called a shading method, but I will not tell you right now. I will tell you in that next lecture. If it is going to help you out, then it's good. If it's not going to help you out, let me know in comment box. And if you find it nonsense and over exaggerated, still let me know in that comment box. And somebody had commented me that this pronunciation is very nonsense. To be very honest, I don't want to exaggerate my pronunciation because I stay in India and I don't want that to be exaggerated. People don't understand what I'm talking about, and that's why I am using Indian neutral sounds, Indian standard neutralized sounds, so that people can understand it very easily. Otherwise, the people of Western, they have problem with their tongue. That's why they're talking like that. But in India, we don't have any problem with that tongue. That's why if my tongue is powerful, then I will use it. My tongue has more power. So I will make separate lecture for accent, separate lecture for shading technique, separate lecture for why you should. I already have made 3 sessions why grammar will not help you. And second, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched till the end, please let me know that you have watched till the end. And thank you so much. If you were my student, have you been my student? Are you one of my student, or do you know me? Who am I? So please, you can also comment so that I can analyze, realize, oh my god, you're watching. 2-3 people are enough for me right now. For 10 minutes I have recording. Thank you.